Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Indian National Congress kalapen pau ya ka sur ka wasai ba ka Jingsei Kyrtong jong ka BJP ban penya khun hak election MP sya ka yeng dor bat hawan Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat kan Ktah satya ya ka seng Congress hawa keren sigila pathai kubor ne ka singi ka arpun reter luper arajar khat kendai hadien balawai ka jingalang jong ki MLA ka Congress ha ka balai don lang ru ka MP jong ka Rajya Sabha ka kong 16 bat uba Vincent H Pala ubolong Kyrtong MP ka seng Congress unong ay kitien ka seng Congress uba Shangpliang ulaong ba kamper la ka BJP ka say madan ya Kyrtong namar ba ki vote bank jong ka Congress kin sakma da lele ruem namar ba jingmi perthai jong ka BJP hak ni election kan shulong tang ka jing pharia ka ya ki vote hawa kan thoi ka jing kran jong Kyrtong MP ka BJP uba sanbor shulai ba hadien ka election barok seng sai perthai kin wan kedup ka BJP uba Shangpliang loong ba ka Congress ka shim ba kani ka jing kran ka dai tang ka buit kro vote.
The outcome of the meeting was good. It was very cordial. We had all the MLAs who had attended, because there was in a section of a press which had come out that MLAs had refrained or restrained from going to escort the party candidate while filing the nomination. But that was not so. The party candidate had clarified that since only 4 members were allowed inside the DC's room or the returning officer's room while filing the nomination. So the Vincent Pala had wanted that the MLAs need not come. So that is why from the party side also there was no insistence on the MLAs to escort the party candidate. Nevertheless, all the MLAs are together. We are all here today to show solidarity and to take up the respective responsibilities to fight the elections, and I'm sure that we'll come out victorious. Candidate of the BJP mentioned yesterday that only during the election that we fight, after the election we are all bye-bye. That is what he mentioned. So we can understand that this is all a gimmick. Therefore, whatever the Congress bastions is there, wherever we have the stronghold, we are going to take all that. So it doesn't matter whether BJP comes or MPP comes.